Why is this planar tracker not tracking that red car in Davinci Resolve's Fusion tab? So if I click on set and click on this track to end, the car exits from that selection and is not tracking it. So how to fix this problem? Well, this planar tracker should not be connected to these merge nodes, but directly to the media in. So hold down the shift key and drag this one. It will also break the linkage between them. Connect the yellow triangle to that rectangle. Find that red car and make sure it enters into that selection. And now, since the planar tracker is connected to the media in, click the set, track to the end, and now it is tracking it. Press the go button to go to the beginning of the tracking. And from here, it will track backward using this button. And stop it. Now, using this planar tracker, create a planar transform. Use the transform, delete the tracker, right click on it and delete. And connect this one to there. Put a text to it. I think it was set. And now it's working.